Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best fort building kit is probably one of the most exciting toys a kid can have. It's not just about building a fort, it's about igniting creativity, fostering teamwork, and sharpening problem-solving skills. Today, we're diving deep into a fantastic fort building kit designed specifically for kids aged 8 to 12, exploring its features, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your child's playtime arsenal. Number 5. Crazy Fort 69-piece Buildable Play Fort Playset. Introducing Crazy Forts. This unique building toy lets you create amazing structures. You can build a cave, an igloo, or even a pirate ship. With 69 pieces, the possibilities are endless. Put the pieces together in different configurations. Then, cover it with bed sheets and voila! This fort is built to last, and it's also easy to move. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor play. Take it anywhere you want. It's super easy to build, so you can start playing right away. It's a great STEAM toy, encouraging creativity and problem-solving skills. This is a great toy for kids. Get ready for hours of fun with Crazy Forts. It's a great gift for any child. They will love it. What we like. This fort kit is incredibly easy to build and take down, making it perfect for kids who love to change up their play spaces. It's also durable and portable, so you can take it anywhere. If you're looking for a fort that's quick to set up and can be moved around easily, this is the one for you. What people say. The fort building kit is easy to assemble and disassemble. It's a great way to encourage creativity and imaginative play. The kit includes a cover, which adds to the fun and provides a sense of enclosure. Number 4. Tiny Land Fort Building Kit, 130 pieces. Introducing the Tiny Land Fort Building Kit. This 130-piece set lets kids create amazing structures. They can build anything they imagine, from castles to tunnels. With 44 balls and 86 rods, it's easy to assemble and won't fall apart. This kit provides endless fun for the whole family. Build caves, forts, and more with your kids. Looking for a great gift? This is perfect for kids who love building toys. It's great for kids aged 8 to 12 to build on their own, or 5 to 7 with some help. Safety is a priority. The poles are made of tough PP, and the balls are made of a special mix for durability. Both are non-toxic, ensuring the safety of children. Tiny Land offers various options to meet your needs. There's even a luminous version. Find the perfect kit for your family and start building today. What we like. This kit offers a generous 130 pieces, providing ample opportunity for kids to build large and complex structures. It's also designed to be easy to assemble and disassemble, making it a great choice for kids of various ages. If you have a child who loves to build and create, this kit will provide hours of fun. What people say. The pieces are lightweight but sturdy, and the kit allows for tons of different configurations, castles, tents, spaceships, you name it. The pieces are sturdy, easy to connect, and just the right size for little hands to handle. My kids have spent hours building everything from castles and towers to play tents, both indoors and outdoors. Number 3. Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit. Introducing the Tiny Land Glow Fort Building Kit. It includes 86 rods and 44 balls. Expose it to light and watch it glow, creating a magical playtime experience for your kids. Let your child's imagination soar. With this kit, they can build caves, tunnels, and forts. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor use, transforming any space into an adventure zone. This toy enhances imagination and problem-solving skills. It provides screen-free fun, keeping kids engaged through hands-on construction. They will learn while they play. This kit is great for kids aged 5 to 12. It's a fantastic opportunity for parents to join in, encouraging teamwork and social skills. It will bring endless fun to your family. Looking for a unique gift? This building kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, and more. Watch their eyes light up with joy and imagination as they create their own glowing fort. What we like. The glow-in-the-dark rods add a magical element to playtime, turning any space into an adventure zone. It encourages creativity and imagination, making it a unique and exciting gift. If you like to add a special touch to your kids' playtime, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Not only do the rods glow in the dark, they can be built inside or outside. Instructions come with a few ideas to build the frames. The glow worked great and we had it in direct light for about an hour before I assembled it and turned out the lights. Number 2. ERONE Fort Building Kit for Kids, 158 PCS. Introducing the amazing Fort Building Kit. This set allows kids to create their own playhouses, from tents to castles. It's a fantastic way to spark their imagination. The kit includes long sticks, short sticks, and connecting balls. These pieces are designed to fit together easily and securely. It's durable and easy to use. Kids can build anything they can imagine. They can create tents, pirate ships, caves, rockets, and more. It's perfect for indoor and outdoor activities. This fort builder is fun and educational. It helps children master basic engineering skills. It also encourages teamwork and problem solving. Looking for a great gift? This creative toy is perfect for kids aged 8 to 12. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, Christmas, Halloween, and New Year. What we like. This kit includes a whopping 158 pieces, allowing for a wide range of building possibilities. It's designed to be durable and easy to use, ensuring that kids can build their dream forts with ease. If you're looking for a fort kit that combines fun and learning, this is the one. What people say. They love building their own castles, tunnels, and hideouts, and I love that it keeps them entertained and off screens. The pieces are lightweight but sturdy, and easy enough for kids to connect and take apart on their own. The sturdy, lightweight rods and connectors come together quickly to create a solid structure, while the included fabric sheets allow for endless fort building possibilities. Number 1. Building Kit, Giant Indoor Forts for Kids. With strong and durable pieces, this kit lets kids transform ordinary spaces. They can build castles, kingdoms, and mazes, letting their imaginations run wild. It's the perfect bonding activity for families. This all-in-one cardboard fort kit is ready to assemble right away. No tools or adhesives are needed, just open it up and start building a giant fort with your kids. When playtime is over, reclaim your space easily. You can take it down and store it in the included carrying case. No need to throw away bulky cardboard boxes. Encourage your little engineers to step away from screens and engage in creative play. This kit offers a fun alternative, fostering imagination and hands-on building. This product is proudly made in the USA. It's designed for durability and repeated use, providing endless fun for children. What we like. This kit allows you to create giant forts, sparking imagination and creativity. It's also durable, reusable, and easy to store, making it a practical choice for any family. If you are looking for a way to reduce screen time and boost your child's creativity, this kit is perfect. What people say. Easy to set up and take down, then store in a closet. My kids have created countless different forts with these. It is a little costly for pieces of cardboard, and while you can get away with one kit, you will need at least 2 kits to make a decent-sized fort that kids approved. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.